Hey, I'm Leanne. This is my review of the Olaplex 4. So I bought this because I recently put a color glaze in my hair. My hair is very light brown and I have this copper color, and this bond maintenance shampoo really helps it to hold in that color. It's restorative and it's repairing. So it has done a really good job for me. This is not a permanent color and I'm about 10 weeks in and it's still looking good. It's supposed to wash out and at some point it will, but I've been using great shampoo and conditioner, so it's maintaining. It's an 8.5 ounce bottle, comes with a little flip top right here. I've used it pretty liberally. I wash my hair about once a week, and I've used this much of it in 10 weeks. That's about 10 washes. But again, I'm using a lot. I feel like that's probably not normal, but I like to use a lot of shampoo. The other thing is the main ingredient is water. So I always like that in hair products and face products because it's going to be gentle. It smells really great. I wish there was a way to tell you how it smelled. Let me see. It's just soft, soapy, a little florally. It's really nice. It's a subtle floral. This is a great shampoo. It says it repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. So I like it. I recommend it.